Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your school community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an image or a photo into your school community course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a picture into a school course anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business through school communities, you know that sometimes the course is better described when you have various images or photos. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your school dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my school dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an image to one of your courses, first you're going to click on Classroom here on the top. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the courses you're currently offering. So choose the course that you want to add an image into. So for example, this one right here. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose the folder that holds the page that you want to add an image into. So I just have this one folder, and when I open it up, you can see I have these two pages, Mexican food and Chinese food. So I'm going to click on Mexican food. All right, now it brings me here to the Mexican food section. So this is how to cook chicken tacos. So of course, we're going to probably want to have a picture of the tacos. So all you're going to do is just go ahead and click on the pencil icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to be able to edit, and then you're going to go ahead and move the cursor to the general area that you want the image to show up. So for example, right here. And then you're going to click on this picture icon and upload the image from your computer. Okay, I grabbed an image of a taco, as you can see right here. So that looks pretty good, but maybe you want the taco to be up towards the top. So all you're going to do is just grab the image and you could drag it. And you see that black line behind it? You can see it move around. That lets you know that once you let go, it's going to drop the image right there. So maybe let's move these tacos all the way to the top. All right, we'll drop it right there. Okay, so now we've moved the image up above the words right here. Once you're done, scroll to the bottom and click on Save. Now, anybody who goes through this course and they end up on this page, they're going to be able to see this picture of a taco. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an image or a picture into one of your school courses, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.